Are you curious on how you can easily create wings images that looks exactly like this right here? So right here guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can create images that looks exactly like this right here. So guys, all you want to simply do is to simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end. So guys, let's dive right into the video right away. So you simply go onto the Google Chrome web browser. Simply go onto the Google Chrome web browser, and once you write here, you want to simply search for the Bing image creator. So you tap on that right now, and it's going to take you right onto the home page whereby you want to simply tap on image creator for Microsoft Bing. And right here guys, you can easily just sign up with your Microsoft account right there, and it's going to take you right onto this page right here. So within a few seconds you are done creating your account. So once you're right here guys, all you want to simply do is to paste in your prompt and click on to create. So right here guys, I have some list of prompts right here I can usually. So right here, I do actually have some prompt that I can usually use to create images like this. So guys, all you want to simply do, you can easily just copy and make use of this particular prompt right here. So you copy your prompt and go onto the Bing image creator and simply paste in your prompt right there. And we have some free image boosts. We have some free credits right here that we can actually use to create our images, and this replenishes so right here guys, we have some credit that we can actually make use of, and every day is get up to 15 credits each day you sign in right into the Bing image creator. So right here guys, simply click on to create, and you're able to create 4 different images right here. So as you can see, it is done creating, and this is going to take a few seconds. Alright here guys, as you can see, we have been able to generate this. So if you simply tap on this particular image, so this is it right here, we have been able to create this awesome image right here that looks like this. So you can easily go back right there, you tap on the next image right here. So this is it. So you can see right now, so you can easily just share this, save, download, and even customize this particular image right here. So this is how you can easily create images like this by simply making use of this prompt that is available right here. And guys, you can easily decide to create another image by simply making use of this prompt. So let's make use of this prompt right here. Go on to the create section and simply just paste that right there. Click on to create, and 4 different images will be created right here for us. And guys, we are done generating this. This is looking so amazing. So let's simply tap on the image, and this is it right here. We have been able to generate this awesome wings images right now. So you can easily just click to download right here. You can download right here, save and customize. So right here guys, this is how you can easily create a 3D wings images by simply making use of the Bing image creator right here.